po, nambala mo yung sulong mo. Okay, just in English, what is it?
Actually, we just came here to give a protest against those who are being there in the our Manipur police is there posting there in the More, and against the Sioux, like Manipur police comes under the Indian forces. This is the first point that we have to understand. And instead of Manipur by the Chief Minister of Manipur, they are just relieving those Kuki militants just like that. It is like attack has been there at the More, and 2 personnel of Manipur police is being shot and killed. But still, nobody here are going against that. People of Manipur are living just like a normal daily life, how we used to stay before this dramatic war. We must say dramatic war. This is not the actual war. If it is an actual war, then it will reach here in Imphal also. In war, we cannot say that 1 people died, 2 people died, 3 people. It's not like that. If it is a real war, then everyone must go on the war. This is not the declared war.
What is your demand right now?
We want a peaceful land. Against us, who are doing something against us, we don't want them here. We just want them to work for what they have been deployed here. It's not that we are the only one who is doing violence. We don't do violence here. That is why we are living a normal life here in Imphal. But whoever used to go at the beside those red zone, why red zone is there? There should not be red zone if the government is governing here. There should not be red zone. Why there is red zone? If whoever used to cross, they are being killed by the Kuki militants. Nobody used to speak up about this. Why? This is the protest. This is for the protest for our people of Manipur, for the state police who have been died, for the innocent people who have been died. And this is what we don't like. That is why we just wanted to talk with the governor and take back, really doing the work. Then he must not have this bias form. Biasness is there. We are already seen, but we don't know whether the really giving that. Then like people of the Manipur must understand the inner things, that really whether the unified command is being given by the Chief Minister to Kuldip Singh or not. Even though he is being given, then why he is not acting up on such things, who should not do like this? It is not a human nature that everybody what we used to get we can kill. It's not like that. This is not the human call. This is not the human nature. If he is not stopping there, then why they are deploying all the central forces here in Manipur if they are not going to control the war?